Hello boys, Assalamu alaikum and good morning. How are you? I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty. All the students of class 5 are welcome to this online class on behalf of St. Gregory's High School and College. Here, according to the consecutiveness of the last class, I'd like to provide also today the short questions answer. Yes, I have given 5 short questions answer in the last class, and I've suggested you to write down those answers on your script and to memorize those. So I hope and think you have done those activities and tasks. Now here are more 5 questions answered, and this is actually for learning how to answer short question and how it can be corrected or in a correct way. So let's get started from the beginning. One is, which constitute akhlaq? I mean, which thing constitute akhlaq? Fine temperament and character constitute akhlaq. Fine temperament and character constitute akhlaq. Let's write down. Number 2, what is called patriotism, or what is patriotism? Same. Okay? Yes. What is patriotism or what is called patriotism? Same question. So you need to answer the short definition here. Love for own country is called patriotism. Love for own country is called patriotism. Okay. Number 3, what did wise men say? What did wise men say about patriotism? Please write down. What did wise men say about patriotism? Let's know what did wise men say. Patriotism is a part of Iman. Very simple. Hubbul watani minal iman. Hubbul watani minal iman. Those who are capable of writing Arabic, you can write down. Hubbul watani minal iman. Like this. Patriotism is a part of Iman. So don't forget to write down. Okay. Now question number 4 is, and that you be dutiful to your parents, and that you be dutiful to your parents. Who said this? This is a message. This is an order. This is a decree. Okay. So I think you know this. And that you be dutiful to your parents. Who said this? I mean, whose message is this? Allah the Exalted. Okay? Who said this message? Allah the Exalted or Allah Ta'ala? Number 5 and the last one is, what did Allah say about dignity of labor? What did Allah say about dignity of labor? Yes. Allah says in this regard, "Laisa lil insani illa ma sa'a." That means man gets that whatever he wants. Yes, man gets that whatever he wants. Who said this? Allah the Exalted. About what? About the dignity of labor. I mean, Allah has inspired us in this regard. I mean, He inspired us to be prompted, to be active, and to be industrious. Man gets that whatever he wants. Allah says about dignity of labor. So I think you could write down all the answers, and you boys or you students of class 5 should try to answer in this way, and please don't forget to memorize all the contents, and don't forget to write down all the contents also. Remain well up to the next class. Thanks very much for joining this class.